Hey, I am a real estate broker here in the Los Angeles area, and I am asked every day, pretty much several times a day, what do you think is going to happen in the market? What's going on in the market? What should I do? Should I sell? Should I buy? So I'm going to give you my 2 cents. Here's what I see happening. I'm at an open house today, and I've had at least 30 people through. I don't see housing prices going down. They're holding strong, and we still have a lot of buyers out there that are looking for homes and are planning on buying. So what's causing that? Here's what I believe is causing that, and I'm listening to the economists. We have less homes on the market than we do have buyers that are wanting to buy. So that's supply and demand. That's going to hold our pricing probably for this next year at least, because again, we have less inventory than we did about a year ago. So that makes your house extremely valuable for those who are looking to buy. Might have a few more days on market than what you did a year ago, but your house is going to sell and a buyer will be very happy to get it. So that is my 2 cents for today. Have a wonderful week.